KON'CHA! Hello, friends around the world. Today, we're back again in Shibuya! The next big thing after Tokyo 2020 is Shibuya 2027. Shibuya, or Sheeps for short, is undergoing major redevelopment, scheduled to complete by 2027. Shibuya today looks nothing like it did even just a year ago. Several shopping/entertainment complexes have since been built, and navigating Shibuya has been made easier with the new overhead pedestrian concourses. Shibuya is a youth hub, but this is changing. Businesses are setting up base in new office spaces now available to them, increasing the presence of working adults. The famous Scramble Crossing is a compulsory Shibuya experience. You may recognize it from movies like Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift, or Lost in Translation. These days, though, besides dodging people, you also need to watch out for selfie sticks. Ouch! My eye! Miyashita Park is the new 330-meter-long low-rise shopping and restaurant complex which opened in June 2020. Its biggest attraction is a rooftop park space where you can sit down and enjoy a Starbucks coffee. Miyashita Park is surrounded by a green canopy, which is a big welcome to the eye, because you know, Tokyo could do with a bit more greenery. Shibuya Stream is another recent addition to Shibuya, adding more office space, retail shops, and restaurants. The stream in Shibuya Stream refers to Shibuya River that was originally here, which itself has been restored along with the complex's development. Other major additions to Shibuya have been Shibuya Scramble Square with its Shibuya Sky Lookout Deck, Shibuya Fukuras, the newly renovated Shibuya Parko, and Shibuya Hikarie. Shibuya this, Shibuya that. Now that's consistent branding. Check out our Shibuya Sky and Shibuya Parko videos by clicking on the cards on the top right. Shibuya Station itself is being renovated and expanded with new platforms, additional passageways above and below ground, and line relocations. It's almost like a constantly evolving life form. But speaking of stations, I have a train to catch and I gotta run. Komenasai. I won't leave you completely alone though. Join our cameraman as he goes for a walk through Shibuya's center guide. I'll see you in the next video. Adios for now.
Thank you.